Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, October 8th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my trading signals, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course. So, in a ways, I do think that this is very clearly a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3. I think we are very likely in a wave 4 right now, and I think at some point it will go up for a wave 5. This is the monthly, so it's going to take a long time for this to play out. Going down to the weekly time frame, I think the wave A ends right here, and I think we're in an ABC of B right now, which a wave B should be a crutch into the wave A, and eventually I think it will go back down to at least the 50%, the 178.29 area, to finish off this wave C of wave 4. So let's take a look at it on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, like I said, I think the wave A ends right here. I think this is an A, and especially because of correlated pairs, I think this is an A, B, C of B, and I think there's a very good likelihood that this uptrend is not over, and this is going to continue to go up, I think, to at least the 138 or the 123 to complete an ABC of B. So let's head right down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, if this really is going to continue to trend like I showed on the higher time frames, then this move down that we're currently seeing is very likely just a correction to this last move up. So if that's the case, then most likely it will bounce from one of these Fibonacci levels to make a nice engulfing move to the upside and continue the uptrend. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. So yeah, this move down kind of looks a little bit like a trend to me, but it kind of looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It could even be a little 1, 2, 3 right there, like this is the A, this is the B, and then there's a little push down for a C. So either way, if it does go up, if it does break structure, I would definitely take it for a long. And while I was long, if it did this, then I would definitely get out, probably break even, and then wait for it to make a complete wave C before it goes up. Or if it really is a really odd looking ABC correction, then if we go long, it's probably going to be a really profitable trade for the continuation of what I think is a wave 3 of wave B, which is actually a wave 3 of wave C, which is a wave C of wave B on like the daily time frame. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.